Elijah was a prophet of fire. He called down flames from heaven, stood bold against evil kings, and witnessed God move in power. But even the strongest can fall into fear. When Queen Jezebel vowed to kill him, Elijah ran for his life, into the wilderness, alone and afraid.
God, I've had enough. Let me die.
Get up and eat. The journey is too much for you.
For 40 days and nights Elijah walked to the mountain of God.
Elijah, why are you here?
I've served you, but I'm alone. Everyone else is gone.
There was wind, earthquake, fire.
Elijah, you are not alone. I have thousands who still follow me. Go, your purpose isn't over.
When life is loud and your soul is tired, don't look for God in the noise. He speaks in the whisper.